Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox Moza Mini MX foldable smartphone gimbal. Let's say the package is very good, I think. Let's open it. It's a nice packet. There is a tape. This is inside. It's the manual and this is the gimbal. It's a bit mini version than I think the Mini S. And it's a bit lighter than the Mini S, I would say. Yeah, it's good. I have to give it power to test. And what else is there? Cables. This is accessory box. Let me see. Yeah, it is the stand, the tripod. It's a nice bag, I would say. Yeah, the previous one, the Mini S one, the bag, I didn't like that bag, but this bag is very nice looking. Yeah, this is the tripod. Just have to use it here. I will make another video using this gimbal, how it works, and I'll give the review of this one in another video. It's very simple and nice. This is the bag. I like it, and most importantly, it's a bit light, so I like the weight. Let's check how it works in another video. Okay, thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.